Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the Operating Systems macOS, where we cover how to use and manage the macOS operating system. In Part 3, Configuring macOS covers using system preferences to configure Mac computers, including configure the dock and menu bar, desktop, screensaver, display settings, notifications, network settings, printers, and users. For those who are going to take the A+ exam, there are practice questions at the end of the video. If you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Most system settings will be found in System Preferences/Settings. System Preferences/Settings can be accessed from the dock or from the Apple menu. Similar to Windows settings or Linux settings, Mac System Preferences or Settings allows you to configure Bluetooth, Internet, printer, scanner connections, make changes in security and privacy settings, and more. The general category allows you to modify the screen appearance, select light or dark themes, adjust sidebar icon size, and view scrolling options. You can change the default browser and tabs. The dock and menu bar allows you to change the dock panel size and its position on the screen, enable magnification, manage whether or not to show recent applications, and more. The desktop and screensaver settings allows you to select background pictures or background colors and configure screensaver settings. Display settings allows you to configure resolution and control refresh rate, rotation, and night shift. The notification settings allows you to specify what alerts will show on your screen. Network settings are used to configure your adapters, including turning on or off network connections and specify wireless network names. Specify if you're using DHCP or manual settings. If you click the Advanced button, you can configure IP addresses, subnet mask, and DNS addresses. While the TCP/IP allows you to configure the IP addresses, subnet mask, and router, the DNS tab allows you to configure the DNS servers. Most printers that you connect to your Apple computer will automatically be connected and load the appropriate drivers. If your printer is not found, you click the Add button. You can also use the Add button to add network printers. Similar to Windows and Linux printer settings, you can open the print queue, configure paper settings, and other options. The Users and Group options allows you to configure users. When you have a lock at the bottom of the settings screens, you need to click the lock to unlock the options in which you will need to log in again. To create a user, you would click the New button. You can specify if the user will be a standard or admin user and specify a password. The security and privacy settings allows you to configure required login when a system sleeps or screensaver turns on, and automatic login. It also allows you to configure how the applications affect your privacy, such as which applications can be accessed from a camera or microphone, or which applications can use location services. Question: what is the main utility to configure Apple Macintosh settings? Answer: Apple Preferences. Question: which settings would you use to change the default browser? Answer: General. Question: where do you configure if a system locks when the screensaver turns on? Answer: security and privacy settings. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, most system settings will be found in the System Preferences or Settings. System Preferences or Settings can be accessed from the dock or from the Apple menu. Similar to Windows settings or Linux settings, Mac System Preferences or Settings allows you to configure Bluetooth, Internet, printer, scanner connections, make changes in security and privacy settings, and more. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be Operating Systems macOS Part 4, Managing Files in Disk. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Thank you.